is the same set of shipment lines which is saved, or is there any modification to the shipment line happened?
Yeah.
So, so what we are doing is, if it is not a new if it is a new shipment, there will not be any record present in the e-shipment line table. We can very well insert all the lines to the shipment line table. Yeah. But if it is not a new shipment, it is a modification. For example, a shipment is already saved as trapped, and we are doing some modification and saving it again. So in that case, we are deleting the existing shipment line record. Okay.
Yeah.
From the shipment line status before doing insert. Okay, so that the existing records will be deleted, and whatever data coming for the currently saved version will be inserted into the shipment line status. So that is the logic we are following for saving shipment line data. Yeah.
Get latest.
Okay, this is the flow for saving shipment. And likewise, you have different APIs for different functionality. So saving is one of the most important functionality. And so we have this get latest shipment. So it will fetch the latest shipment based on the shipment number.
Yeah.
And we have the shipment status. Okay, it will fetch the status of the shipment, whether it is approved or on hold or completed. So get latest shipment. Delete shipment, and so this query is for getting the document revision. All is for refreshing the document for the shipment. All shipment documents, which will fetch the list of all document metadata. And other than that, we have search. Okay, search is one important service, right? So search means so on loading, right? This search will be only called. For example, whenever you click any status, right? So whenever you click any status button,
Yeah.
or you are searching from here. So in both cases, the search API only will be called. Whether you are searching from here, from this search pop-up, you are clicking the search button, or you are clicking this status, right? So on clicking this status button also, it will fetch the so it will check whether there is any search criteria here, this search pop-up. So it will include that criteria as well in the request, and it will send the search API request. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you see the search API, you can find right get shipments. Get EA shipments, right? So so it will fetch required details from the EA shipment table. Okay. So if you see this mapper class, we are fetching only the required fields only from the shipment table. Previously, we were fetching all the details from the EA shipment table and displaying only the required fields in the UI. But it was causing slowness issue. For example, previously you would have experience on clicking this completed status button and all, it will be loading for a long time.
Yeah.
So the reason was we were fetching all the fields from the EA shipment table. So recently only we created this mapper class. So in this mapper class we are setting only the required fields from the shipment table into this shipment object. So because we have only limited fields to be displayed in the table, right? We don't need all the details from the EA shipment table.
Yeah.
So once we have limited the data, it eventually reduced the
loading time. Yeah.
So it is something. So in this query only, we are fetching all the details. So based on the status, we are getting all the shipments and the shipment details, the shipment date, final destination, status. So these all details are coming from this search API. And so these are all some important APIs. Okay. And we have RPS. Controller. Okay, here we get shipment documentation. So it's like determine license. So this determine license will invoke one source procedure and check so for every line item in this shipment, it will pass the details and the final destination country to the source procedure and will get the license is required or not. And the license code is assert item compliance. This will be called while we are running a compliance check, right? At that time it will be invoked. And it will set the different flags. So whether we have different compliance checks, right?
Yeah. In the
so for example, here
final destination
complaint screening section, we have restricted party screening, schedule BCC and these and all, right?
Yeah.
So for these complaints checks, we will have different flags and we will run different checks and we will set the flags. Okay. The validate license complaint or update license code complaint, status action, update shipment status. So this is for updating the shipment status. So for example, once all the compliance checks are completed and everything is green, we will change the shipment status from on hold to approve.
मीटिंग चल रही है.
So getting the shipment commands, getting the list of files, uploading the files, get item details. So this item detail, right?
Yeah.
This is also somewhat
Shipment line. Yeah.
somewhat important. So this one. So while we are when we are adding line item, right, while before saving or in the create shipment page or after saving, we will click the add a line item. So while adding a line item, we will specify only a limited set of fields.
Yeah.
Okay, so this query on this API only will be called, and it will fetch all the required details for a particular item from ECM item table, ECM item temp table, and all. Okay.
Yeah.
And this service bulk upload is for bulk upload. Means we are
Uploading the Excel file.
uploading line item details, right?
Yeah.
So from the Excel sheet, it will fetch the required details. Check shipment compliance, order, save, complete file, get filing date, metadata. So this filing metadata is for while we are doing filing to government, right? At that time, based on the shipment reference number, we will get the metadata.
Yeah.
So that's the point. And get all records also based on shipment number, and we will get all the summarized records. For example, the shipment line items will be individual items, right? So this API will roll up all the items. It will roll up all the items based on schedule B. For example, if the two items are having the same schedule B, so it will do based on schedule B, ECCN, and one flag called DF flag, domestic or foreign flag.
Yeah.
So it will roll up the line item based on these three fields. So if these three fields are duplicate, so it will roll up those two items.
Okay.
And it will create as a single item. So after that only that condition will be checked, whether it is $2,500 or not. So that condition will be checked while doing filing. And that is delete file, download shipment document, and get all items for details, apply items for details, apply items. And this is the save and complete shipment. So this is instead of filing to government, you can complete a shipment, right?
Yeah.
You can complete a shipment, right? So for that, it is API and adding new citations. And so that's all. These are all the service of the application. Yes. Do you have any doubt in this?
No,
So
sir.
I will provide another session more deeply in that few services are important, right, and a bit complex, like filing,
Yeah. Okay.
and getting the item details, and the compliance check. So these three are involve more logic actually. So I will explain them further on those
Oh,
details. Okay.
okay, Dinesh.
Do you have any doubt for now?
No, Dinesh.
Okay, Rajagiti, do you have any doubt? Your voice is not audible.
Pro and Constantly we have understood, but the working one we found the working without some it's not a case.
Rajagiti, still your voice is not audible, Rajagiti. It was very low. It's very low.
Now it is okay today.
Still low only, but I can hear. Yeah, tell me.
Okay. Yes, no doubt in it, but I understood for the training session and the functionality, but we have started working that time only. I think we have finished because I don't know Java, right? But I understood the functionality.
Okay, fine. If there is any doubt, just ask at the start itself. Okay. Any major doubt or something. Okay. So that while working, you can be clear. Okay. Okay, Radhikiti. Yeah, I will cover in more detailed manner by tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
Like no, by next week. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Dinesh.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Dinesh.
Okay, Radhikiti. Yeah, fine. Okay. Bye, Radhikiti.
Thank you, Dinesh.
Bye, Pankaj.